Greetings. Let us discuss about the sine rule. Takuda kudiscussa the sine rule. So what should we know about the sine rule? Chekutanga is a prerequisite to this rule. We should understand a triangle. So we are given a triangle like this. This is our triangle. So like what we said in our previous class, patakatora the term triangle, tikaona kuti it's basically made up of two parts. Chekutanga ndi-tri, kozouya the term angle, of which tri refers to three. Three what exactly? Three sides. Then angle refers to the angles within, especially the interior angles. Ma-angles ari mukati metriangle yedu. Kunyangwe tiine ma-situations where we have to deal with the exterior angles, but we are mostly interested in interior angles. So a triangle is made up of two things. It is made up of sides. It is made up of interior angles. Saka, when we look at the angles, we have, this is angle A, this is angle B, and this is angle C. We have discovered a relationship between the sides of a triangle and the interior angles. We discussed it in our previous class, but an equilateral triangle has three equal sides and also three equal 60-degree angled interior angles. We saw the same relationship by isosceles triangle, where we were saying it has two equal sides, hence it also has two equal base angles. The relationship persisted the scalene, where no side is equal to each other, hence no angles are equal to each other. Saka, in so doing, we were establishing the relationship between the sides and the angles. Chatauda kuita panapa, we need to take a step further. What step are we going to take? Tichati isusu. If this interior angle is A, taking note of it, it's a capitalized A, side rino iri opposite this angle, rinenge richinzi futi A. If this interior angle is B, the side which is opposite is called B, small letter b. And if this interior angle is C, the opposite side is what? Small letter c. We are establishing a relationship between an interior angle and its opposite. You see, this interior angle A, the opposite, small letter a. This interior angle B, the opposite, small letter b. And this interior angle C, the opposite is small letter c. So kana tava ne this triangle, we are now going to put down the sine rule. So there is a way of proving the sine rule. There is a way of tracking where we get the sine rule, but it's immaterial to our syllabus. Zvazvirongoreva ndezvekuti syllabus redu haripi as an instruction kuti we should be able to prove the sine rule. So because of that, we are not going to do it. But if it is a matter of interest, I'm going to create a separate video which explains how do we prove the sine rule, but that will only be a matter of interest. It is not something we are required to know by our syllabus, of course. Saka the sine rule zvainotaura manje inoti iyo, okay, inoti a, small letter a over sine a. So a mudiki ari represent the side over the sine of the interior angle, which is related to the side, is equal to b over sine b, which is equal to c over sine c. This is the sine rule. It's fairly easy compared to the cosine rule, which is going to be the subject of our next lesson. It's fairly easy. A over sine A, side riri kutakurana kana riri kutakurwa ne-inferior angle iri opposite to it. A over sine A is equal to B over sine B, which then is equal to C over sine C. We can rewrite using, of course, what we learned from solving equations, fractional equations. We can also put down the sine rule in this way. Saka iyi ndoimwe nzira yekunyora sine rule. Tinogona kunyora takati sine A over A is equal to sine B over B, which is equal to sine C over C, like this. Saka it now depends kuti uri kutsvaga chii. Are you looking for a missing angle or you are looking for a missing side? If you are looking for a missing side, you use this one. So this is for missing side. Then if you are looking for a missing angle, you use this one. This is for the missing angle. But as your instructor, I encourage kuti ungoshandisa E pazvese. Do not burden yourself by kuprema kana kuita rote memorize my questions are written. I think this is the most basic form of it. So if you grasp this, you'll be home and dry. A over sine A is equal to B over sine B, which is equal to C over sine C. So what else should we know? We should know as a nota bene that the sine rule is only applicable for what? Non-right angle triangles. The sine rule is only applicable for non-right angled triangles. Kureva kuti kana tiine ma-right angled triangles, we use something else. So we have learned this, but let me give you a quick recall. Ko kana tiine right angled triangle like this, tinoshandisa chii? So what we should know panapa ndechekuti depends kuti uri kutsvagei. Kana tiine situation yekuti takapiwa two sides, handiti tiri kutsvaga one missing side. So one side is missing. What are we going to use? We are going to use what? The Pythagoras theorem. Because Pythagoras theorem ndiyo inenge ichitaura iyo kuti chi, the hypotenuse squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. Saka kana takapiwa two sides, maybe takapiwa a na b, maybe takapiwa hypotenuse na a, maybe takapiwa hypotenuse na b, tobva tanzi titsvage a missing side, we use the Pythagoras theorem. But if we are given maybe one side and interior angle like this, we are given one side, we are also given an interior angle, we then move on to what? The Churchill Tower. Saka this is just a rough summary. It's a rough summary. You go to our lessons on the Pythagoras and on trig ratios. Churchill Tower, these are what? Trig ratios. You are going to find out kuti anonyanya kushanda papi. So we need to find either the hypotenuse, we are given the opposite and an interior angle. This is when we use what? The Churchill Tower. So you should know in particular, clinically, mechanically, kuti apa ndipe Pythagoras theorem, apa ndepechi? Trig ratios. Then of course, kana triangle yedu isiri right angled but ine an obtuse angle, we can use trig ratios where we discussed in our previous lesson the situation where the sine of theta is equal to the sine of 180 minus theta. Negative cos theta is equal to the cos of 180 minus theta, and negative tan theta is equal to the tan of 180 minus theta. So this is basically the summary. But when you are given a non-right angled triangle like this one, we are going to use what? We are going to use either the sine rule or cosine rule. So we should also know kuti sine rule inoshanda papi, cosine rule inoshanda papi. The subject of this lesson, we are learning about the sine rule. That being said, we have sufficiently introduced the sine rule. Let us now go through a few examples to solidify the information. So one thing you should know is, unless are obvious angles, and there's also a lesson we did, ndairatidza kuti the sine, cosine, and tan of degrees like 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 45 degrees inowanikwa sei mechanically kana kuti manually tisingashandisi calculator. So you should learn that lesson and frame if that's your forte, kana kuti internalize the solutions where we were talking about a situation where we have two right angles back to back, but this is one, this is one. In fact, this is two, this is two, this is one, this is one. It was the square root of 3, and of course this was 60 because 2, 2, 2 equilateral triangle. This was 30, it's a bisector, and we did our mathematics there. So learn those angles. So unless my angles are obvious, the sine rule and cosine rule zvinowanzokuuya kupaper 2, the ZIMSEC paper, where we are allowed to use a calculator, because what we will be doing is computations atinoita might involve angles asiri easily computable. Saka when you are doing maybe the practice questions of the sine rule and the cosine rule, know that your calculator is going to be handy. So we are going to do a question here, and when we do the question, we are going to employ the service. We are going to use our calculator. Let us go to our first example. This is our example. Given a triangle where B is equal to 39 degrees, C is equal to 82 degrees, A is equal to 6.73 centimeters, find C. So in attempting the question, tinotanga kuita, we sketch the triangle. This should actually be known as a rule. Saka nsoda step, unototi iwe rule number 1. Sketch the triangle. You cannot answer these questions unless you have a really special brain. Such a brain I do not have. In personally, I am not that genius to be able to answer my questions erudzi uru. It's not sketch a triangle passing. So that is my advice. It's my rule as an instructor that you should actually sketch the triangle. So we are told in the question, kuti, this is a triangle where we have an angle called B. Saka, let us say this is the angle B. B is what? 39 degrees. And it zvanzi, so this is B. Tokona kunyora B yacho iri kunze kunoku like this. So zvanzi C is 82 degrees. Todai, this is going to be C, 82 degrees. So zvanzi saka we have A panapa. Takaiudzwa here kuti A ndiani? Hatina kuiudzwa ndi angle yacho. We are just told with the side, it's small letter A is equal to 6.73 centimeters. Question yedu iri kuti find C. Saka C anga ari kupi? C anga ari kunoku. Nemakayetamisa panapa instead of panapa. Inayo kuti C anga ari the opposite of what? This interior angle. Saka C anenge ari uku. What we have to do is, kana tichida kushandisa sine rule, this is actually going to help and going to be the decider between kuti unoshandisa sine rule here kana kuti unoshandisa cosine rule. When we are using the sine rule, we should have a situation where we have a side with its corresponding interior angle. Kana kuti we have an interior angle with its corresponding side. Tinofanirwa kuva nepair iri full. Kureva kuti tofanirwa kuva neinterior angle tori neside rayo. Then tozoita interior angle isina side. Kana question ichida kuti titsvage side. Sometimes richava side risina interior angle. Kana question ichida kuti titsvage interior angle. Saka know this kuti we should have what? We should have a full pair. A full pair. And by full pair tikureva kuti tine both side neinterior angle and one pair with a missing. Chiri kuita missing chacho ndoinge question. So stay with me here kuti munyatsokuona ndiri kurevei. Answering that question, chachatanga kuita toda kuziva kuti angle A ndeyani. So we know from primary that the sum interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. We know this from primary. Saka, if we say angle A plus B plus C, it should be equal to what? 180 degrees. Then we need to find what? Angle A. Not A anosara ari kunoku is equal to B unoyu ndi positive. Akacrossa equal sign anosvika richi negative. Saka totanga tanyora positive 180 agara ariko ku right hand side kuno put minus B minus C like this. Kutsvaga A. So A is equal to 180 degrees minus what is B? B into 39 degrees minus what is C? C into 82 degrees. Since we are working with the assumption that this is paper 2, tikaenda mucalculator medu tikanoti 180 minus 39 minus 82 tinowana 59. So A is equal to 59 degrees. Panapa it's 59 degrees. Tatsvagirei A. We want to satisfy this condition. We need a full pair. Saka since taudzwa kuti small letter A, which is the side corresponding side to A, 6.73, we need to know kuti angle yacho inge imbori chii. You understand? Saka that is why tatsvaga A. Taziva A manje. From the back of our mind, ndichinyora the sign rule, I want to explain something to you. When you think you are not handy with my formulas, kuti ubate maformula hunge wakamashandisa again and again. And kumashandisa again and again comes with practice. You are practicing questions. You make sure kuti a day does not pass usina a ZIMSEC question or a Cambridge question yaunenge waita attempt. But if you did not have sufficient practice, or let us say your memory is not that eidetic, your memory is not that photographic, you quickly forget my formulas. When you get into your ZIMSEC examination, before warwa nepanic attack, before waconfuse wane anything, pepa riya rinenge riri rekuwekera. Anti munopiwa mapepa ekuwekera with they are supplied by the school, the sender. Take that paper, write down all the formulas you think you are going to forget before you open the question paper. Kuitira kuti when you now open the question paper, ukasangana ne question inoita require that formula, you already have it handy. If you proceed to advanced level mathematics, you are going to be given a formula booklet, because my formulas acho ngawanda. It's unexpected kuti student ikwanise kubata. We can talk of hundreds of formulas. But when you now cross over from high school to tertiary education, you are not given no formula sheet. In most courses I know, you are expected to know them offhand. So that is the order. Saka panapa, putting down the rule, we are going to do what? The rule says, panapa tiri kutsvaga, ngatingonyora the basic rule, sin A over sin A is equal to B over sin B, which is equal to C over sin C. Okay, how do we apply this? Zvatinoita ndezvekuti, this is our triangle, this is the formula, this is where we are. Saka panapa taweka tikaona this is 59 degrees. What we are going to do is, tichati, what is the full pay? The full pay is A over sin A, 8 side tinaro, interior angle A tinayo, is equal to, what is the missing, which is, not what is the question? Question is find C. Saka tichanyora C ari kudiwa over the sine of C, like this. All right, let us now substitute. Talking of substitution, tiri kuti A ambori chi, A ndi 6,73 over what? What is the sine of A? A uyu ndiani? This is the sine of what? 59 degrees. This is equal to C watisiri kuziva over the sine of what is C? C ndi 82 degrees. 82 degrees, like this. Mapaona, it's as easy like this. So taapo manje, we now need to figure out what C tinomuwana sei. The goal is to isolate C. The C asare ari ku its own hand side, either the right or the left hand side. Then zvimwe zvese zvounganidzwa mathematically one side. Saka, what we are going to do basically is, depending on what you are comfortable with, you can think of it as some form of cross multiplication. Kuti we want to cross multiply, but I'm not going to assume kuti you are comfortable with cross multiplication. What rather I'm going to do is, I'm going to introduce the base principle. Toda kuti sei asara ari ega. Saka we are going to multiply kuside kuno na sine of 82 degrees. Why tichimultiply na sine of 82 degrees? Because tikuda kucheka ichi, zvikacheka na sei asara ari ega. But zvataita ku right hand side, tofanirwa kuzviita ku left hand side, kuitira kuti equation yedu irambe iri balanced. So this is a method introduced in Form 1 algebra, balancing the equation. Kureva kuti kuno kuti tichauya todi to multiply na sine of 82 degrees. But looking at what we have done panapa, zvinongoreva kuti 6,73 times sine 82 degrees, sainonyorwa yakadai so. Ndomanyoro ratinoita. Tangonyora namba usonyora the sign. Hatigoni kunyora sine 82 tonyora namba kumberi. That's not how it's done. So if we multiply these numerators, sine 82 degrees times 6.73, we get this. This is of sine 59 degrees. This is equal to C. Therefore, we can now find the value of C. We are not given the degree of accuracy, but we are going to assume that we should leave our answer correct to 2 decimal places, because A apiwa are correct to 2 decimal places. So if you have a powerful calculator enough like the one I'm using, you can actually put that equation as it is. Ngoinyora at 6.73 sine 82 over the sine of 59. Then make sure your calculator is in degrees. I'm sorry if you wrote it deck. Could answer your wrong. Then C is equal to what? It's Rugana answer is 7.78 centimeters. This is the value of C I'm getting. Of course, it's correct to 2 decimal places. So our answer should take the form of the question. Remember, Saka, Muquestion medu tine value ya a iri given to 2 decimal places. We assume kuti answer yedu should also give it to 2 decimal places. That is how it is done. So panapa, be careful. It's just normal operation yekudhila nema fractions. Kana tine ma equations and ma fractions. Just normal operation. So atakaita kutopic ya subject of formula ndo zvatangu apply panapa. So do you have a question pa question yedu iyi? Kuti taita sei? If you have a question, please use the comments section. That will be helpful. So this having been done, let us go to our next example. That is our example number 2. Iri kuti find the remaining angles of triangle ABC in which A is equal to 12.5 centimeters, C is equal to 17.7 centimeters, and C is equal to 116 degrees. So what we do is chekutanga, as we discussed earlier, we need a sketch of the triangle. We are told that it's A, B, and C. Taudzwa kudaro manje. We are told that A is equal to, so A yari equal to 12.5 centimeters. We are told that C is equal to, so C is equal to what? 17.7 centimeters. And C are equal to 116 degrees. Question yati, find what? Find the remaining angles. Kureva kuti question yedu iri kuda kuti titsvage chi? This angle A ne this angle B. So we are going to do this smartly. Saka tinozoita sei? Chekutanga ndechekuti, let us say we need to find A. So finding A tinomuwana sei? Tadiscussa in our example number 1 kuti we should have a pair, complete pair, full pair. Then tozoita pair ine chatiri kutsvaga. Saka our full pair panapa is going to be C, because we have the angle C 116 degrees and the side C which is 17.7 centimeters. Saka tikutsvaga A handiti. Chati A takunyora panapa over sin A. Saka tinongotora, the sine rule is given generally in 3 parts of an equation, but isu tinongotora 2 chete atiri interested in. You understand? I think you noticed this from our first example. Saka A over sin A ndiochi, that which is full, is equal to, saka A over sin A ndiyo question yedu, but C over sin C ndiyo iri full, a full pair. So we need to know kuti A ndiani. We are told that A ndiani ndi 12.5 centimeters. So we just substitute 12.5 over, hatisi kuziva the angle A, saka it's sine of what? A. This is equal to, what is C? C into 17.7 over the sine of C, which is the sine of what? 116 degrees, like this. Tadaro, how are we going to solve this? So we are going to do what we did prior, where we are going to apply basic math. So let us do it from here. Space. Saka panapa we are going to multiply na sin A. Kuda mubvisa ku denominator kuno kucha multiply futi nani na sin A. Saka sin A yakacheka nayo. Zvorwa kuti panapa tasarwa tinani 12.5 is equal to 17.7 sin A over the sine of 116 degrees. Toda kuti sin A isari yega, saka kuno kuti multiply ne reciprocal of this. Kureva kuti multiply na sine of 116 degrees over 17.7. Waita daro 17.7 e yakuchekana ne e, sin 116 degrees yakuchekana ne-e kuti sare nasin a chete. Then zvataita kunoku tofunga kuzviita futi kupi uku, kureva kuti takumultiply uku nani nasin 116 degrees over 17.7, kureva kuti panapa manje tinenge takuinyora takati chi. I don't want us to be confused, so let us remove this part. Okay, sapanapa teta kuinyora takati the sine of 116 degrees over 17.7, then this of course sine of 116 degrees multiply na 12.5, sapanapa is 12.5 sine of 116 degrees over 17.7 is equal to the sine of AE. Are we together panapa? Because we now need to that space, saka we have to clear kumsoro kuno. So make sure we are together. If not, tonyora comment section izvezvi kuti pama minutes are cut, I lost it. I'll come back to it. Tiri pano patava tinenge takuita sei? Isusu hatisi kutsvaga sin A, tiri kutsvaga A. Saka ngatinyore takadai so. Sin A iri equal to chi 12.5 the sine of 116 degrees over 17.7. Maybe kuti tisakonfusana ngatitange tasolva zviri kuright. So we go to our calculator. Toti 12.5 sine, make sure iri degrees 116 anditika over 17.7. Answer yatikuwana da kuinyora sezvairi. Sin A is equal to 0.63474155812. Ndo mabudiro airi kuita pakakuleta pangu. Ansoda kuluza degree of accuracy. Saka ndainyora sezvairi. Ndinozongonyora the final answer. In this case, it expressed to 1 decimal place because ndo zvakaita chi? Ndo zvakangoita zvinhu zviri mukweseni. Saka kuti tiwane A, what we do is tichati A is equal to arc sine of that number. Arc sine of that number. In essence, we have sin A is equal to 0.63 zvichienda. Tiri kuda A, saka we have to divide with the sign. But kana chidivide with the sign, zvakasiyana here nekuti we are multiplying with 1 over sine. And 1 over sine haisi kubva here pakuti kana tikati 1 over A zvakafanana nekuti A to the power minus 1. Laws of indices. Saka sine is the inverse of sine. You understand? Saka kana chida kuwana A, kuti tibvise sine kuside kunoku achiuya uku anoenda uku ari chi arc sine. You see? Then panapa it's impossible kuiwana without a calculator. Saka A iri equal to chi? Toita mucalculator medu kuti arc sine. Saka mamwe macalculator anoti shift yekuti ubvise pana sine uise pa arc sine. My calculator iri kuti shift, I don't know what yours is saying. So ndikabaya shift ndikabaya sine iri kubuditsa arc sine 0.634 74 1558 12. Answer yandiri kuwana it's 39.398892847448. But ndikatarisa maangles angu ndiri kuona kuti they are written as whole numbers. So that is the degree of accuracy I'm going to adopt. Kureva kuti panapa if I express this as a whole number inongodzoka iri 39 degrees. Saka A it's 39 degrees. Ndo mawaniro atinoita. It's wonderful, handidi? Takuda kutsvaga the side B. We hafango kutinetsa because we know kuti the sum of interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Saka we are just going to write the equation. What is the equation? A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Toda kutsvaga B. Saka A na C zvofanirwa kuenda uku. B inenge iri equal to 180 degrees minus A. Achinja sign, acrossa cosine minus C. So B iri equal to 180 degrees minus 39 degrees A minus 116 degrees B. C actually. So B iri equal to, we put this in our calculator, 180 minus 39 minus 116. B is equals to 25 degrees. So B panapa is 25 degrees. Tikadai so tinenge tatocalculate zvinhu zvedu. So that is how it's done. Tanyatsokuita nemazvo because inotanga tisina kudecida kutanga tawana A zvaizotinetsa because B hatisi kumuziva uye side rake hatisiri kuriziva. Saka kutotanga tawana B was impossible because kana tichida kuapply sine rule tinobvunzwa interior angle yeside ratiri kuziva kana kubvunzwa side reangle yatiri kuziva. Kana tisingazivi zvese ndopanoapply baba vari kuuya panext lesson vanonzi cosine rule. We now have a question on our hands. Example 3. In triangle ABC, A is equal to 7.1 centimeters, B is equal to 9.5 centimeters, and angle B is 63 degrees 18 minutes. Solve the triangle completely. If you do not understand about degrees and minutes, we have a lesson which we did wherein we explained how they relate, and we also explained that a degree, 1 degree, is equal to 60 minutes. So that is, if you need to refresh there, you can visit that lesson. It's on our channel. But to solve that question, we do what we always did. We need a sketch triangle. Then this is triangle ABC. Taudzwa kuti A, which is opposite A, you know, is equal to 7.1 centimeters. Taudzwa kuti B, which is opposite B, is equal to 9.5 centimeters. And this angle B is 63 degrees 18 minutes. Zvazvanzi, solve the triangle completely. So solving the triangle completely iri kungoreva kuti tinofanirwa kutsvaga angles ayari 2 anaya tozotsvaga side C. Ndo zvainoreva kuti solve the triangle completely. Saka kana achishanda sine rule, because maquestions aya kazhinji angona kuuya asina kukuudza kuti shandisa sine rule. That is the whole point of an examination. So to notice, of course, patichaita cosine rule, we are going to compare them. Tichanyatsobudisa pachena kuti sine rule inoshanda apa, cosine inoshanda apa. Zvatangoita kuPythagoras nekumatrig ratios. But to know kuti panapa ndepe sine rule, you need a complete pair. This is very important. I don't know how to reiterate it. You need a complete, kana kuti full pair. Pair yacho should have a side and its corresponding angle. Ukangova neiyoyo, when you look paquestion pako, question ikada kuti utsvage ucomplete pair, kureva kuti vakakupa angle but havana kukupa side, kana kuti vakakupa side havana kukupa angle. Sine rule straight. Saka this is the first test. Test number 2, and given one part of the pair, one part of a pair, and the other is missing. So this is the test yekuziva kuti ufunga kushandisa sine rule. So answering our question manje, madegrees edu awo kana kuti angle yedu iyi haina kunakira nepamusana pekuti iri in degrees and minutes. We cannot work with it like that. So what should we do? What we should do is we should convert 63 degrees 18 minutes to degrees only. So we have 63 degrees zitakuanza panapa 18 minutes. This is equal to, since tichiziva kuti ma-minutes and they are fractions of a degree, because we learned in our previous class with 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. And saka ma-minutes are fractions of a degree. What it means mathematically speaking, 63 degrees 18 minutes zvongoreva kuti 63 degrees 18 over 60. Saka degrees yedu manje, degrees yedu tinenge takungoinyora iri panapa. 63 degrees 18 minutes zvoreva kuti 63 18 over 60 degrees. Why? Because 18 minutes is a fraction of a degree. Saka, what fraction then? It's over 60. So take note of the, of course, if we put in 6, we say 6 to 18, that is 3, then 6 into 60 and 10. Kureva kuti eventually this is going to be 63 and 3 over 10 degrees. Tikaisa kumadecimals inongodzoka iri 63 over 3, because 3 over 10 is 3 tenths. You should also know this. If not, we also have lessons on how to convert fractions to decimal. Go and look at them. So kana tanyora our degrees in our angle in degrees only, we are good to go. What then do we do? What we do now is takuda kutsvaga zvinhu zviri missing, but tinofanira kutanga na-a. Why tichitanga na-a? Because a tongotsvaga missing angle side takapiwa. Remember, we need chinhu chiri full, then we need chirongosota 1. Saka panapa kana takunyora our sign rule tenge takuti chi a over sin a, iri complete panapa ndi b, because we have the side and the angle. Saka it will be b over what? Sin b. So what is a? A ndi 7.1 over the sine of a yatiri kutsvaga over what is b into 9.5 over what is the angle yatacalculator kaona kuti this will be the sine of what? 63.3. Saka takuda kuimanipulata arithmetically, let me use cross multiplication panapa. I've been using that method throughout this lesson. Let us try cross multiplication. So for cross multiplication, basically it's going to be sin a is equal to 7.1 the sine of 63.3 over 9.5. Saka if you don't understand zvaitika apa, please go route yatanga tishandisa for both examples 1 and 2. You eventually get there. Apo tashandisa shortcut inonzi cross multiplication. Zvangoitika ndezvekuti iri pasi sin 63.3 yauya ichimultiply kunoko, ndo yatipa 7.1 sin 63.3, then sin a ikauya ikamultiply uko. Painga ichimultiply ndokubva 9.5 yatodzoka kunoko. So arrow z ndo mamiriro akaita. So arrow iyi kubva kwe sin 63.3 ichienda kunoko, then sin a yaenda uko 9.5 ikadzoka uko. Ndo zvaitika panapa. Saka if we put this into our calculator, what are we going to get? So the fraction, we are saying 7.1 sine of 63.3. This is over 9.5. We are going to get what? My calculator is giving me a value of sin a is equal to 0.6677775639. Kana ndakuda kutsvaga a, ndichati chi sine, remember, of the number iro. handiti a inenge iri equal to chi. So let us compute that. Ndikabaya shift ndikabaya sign panobuda sign kucalculator kwangu. It's 0.667677 56391. So it's 56391. Ndiri kuwana 41.8880701394.8, of which it should be to 1 decimal place, and saka it's basically 41.9 degrees to 1 decimal place. This is the value of A, 41.9 degrees. So ndiri kuwana okay. Saka kana tawana ishi manje, let us devise a way of finding C. But nzira yekuwana C haifangi kutinetsa because angle yacho yatova pachena. Nemhaka yatiri kuti angle iri pachena, we have two angles, we need one. We just use the sum of interior angles. Saka panapa tinenge takuti kana tichida kutsvaga kuti angle C ndiani, tinongoya panapa toti A plus B plus C iri equal to chi 180 degrees. Kureva kuti C iri equal to 180 degrees minus A minus B. Kureva kuti 180 degrees minus 63.3 minus 41.9. Ichi tikaisa mucalculator, 180 minus what? So it's 180 minus 63.3 minus 41.9. Toone kuti tinowanani. So the angle C is equal to what? 74.8 degrees. Let us bring down our triangle to have perspective panapa. So tadaro panapa taziva kuti ndiani? Ndi 74.8. Takuda kutsvaga the side C. So I need to explain something panapa. Kuti tiwane side C, tinogona kushandisa the combination of B, the side of B and the corresponding angle. Tinogona kushandisa the combination of A, which is this angle and this side. But A, the value of 41.9 degrees, taiwana after ta calculator. So I do not encourage you kushandisa value of A because toda kuavoida kuita carry over a mistake. Kana taita mistake peadventure, kana kuti taitawo mistake pakucalculata kwataita A, tikashandisa A kutsvaga C, tinenge taita carry over that mistake, of which tikashandisa B tangoshandisa mavalues atapiwa muquestion. So pane maquestions achauya anenge aine this double entende, this situation yekuti you are required to use data from what you have worked before to get the final answer. Kana paine a way of escaping yekushandisa mavalues ari muquestion provided muquestion, please use those. But because I trust my answer so much, I'm going to use both methods. And this is somehow going to prove or disprove my answer. So pray for me. Saka method number 1 toda kushandisa zviri pai, zviri muquestion. So muquestion medu muna B. Saka tikati B over the sign of B, quoting the sign rule panapa, is equal to C over what? The sign of C. Then B ndiani 9.5 over the sign of the angle, it's 63.3. Remember, we cannot deal with it in a minutes. We have to convert everything to degrees. This is equal to C atikutsvaga over the sign of what? C ndiani ndi 74.8. Saka kana takutsvaga C, if we do some cross multiplication, inochichongoya kunoku, kureva kuti C iri equal to 9.5 sine of 74.8 over the sine of 63.3. This is equal to, our answer should be in one decimal place as shown in the question. And we are just going to put this in our calculator. So we have 9.5 sine of 74.8. This is over the sine of 63.3. Tiri kuwana a value of 10.2618651294, which will be 10.3 centimeters. Ndoyandiri kuwana. Let us see kana zvikabuda tichishandisa A, taking into cognizance kuti angle A is a result of our calculation. Hatina kuipiwa nequestion. Saka panapa tinenge takuti chi A over sine A is equal to C over chi sine C. Then tinogona kutongobva pano tati C is equal to A sine C over sine A. Saka tatongoita ka cross multiplication kacho panapa. And I need to remind you kuti cross multiplication inongoshanda chete kana paine equal sign. And kana pangorine a singular term on either side. Kureva kuti inopa pakanzi kana kuti ngatiti ngatingopa ka rough example. 2 over 4 times x over 3 is equal to 4 over 6. Cross multiplication haishandi panapa because kunoku kune 2 terms. Chero apa pakaenda plus, chero pakaenda minus, chero pakaenda division. Kofa wangova ne 1 term kunoku, ukweta 1 term. Like panapa, A over sine A is equal to C over sine C. If you need a video explaining cross multiplication, please tell me. Because I'm going in passing. So that is cross multiplication for you. C is equal to A Indian 7.1, the sine of what is C 74.8 over what is the sine of A? So the sine of 41.9. So moment of truth. Cannot say another k. Moment of truth. Calculator 7.1 sine of 47. Sorry, 74.8. That was Gagadisa. Over the sine of 41.9. Yes, Trogana 10.25948354068. Saka iyo maanza edu akasiyana pakuzoreba reba. Asi kana tikama reduce to the same degree of accuracy, which is 1 decimal place, inongobuda iri 10.3 centimeters. Paipa yanga iri 10.28 something. Panapa ya 10.25. Saka 5 ine a rounding off effect yakangofanana 8. Saka maanswers edu maona kuti asiyana in terms of accuracy. Of course, answer yedu yekutanga ye method 1 iri more accurate because tashandisa zvinhu zvabva muquestion. Answer yedu yechi2 iri less accurate because tashandisa zvinhu zvatamboredusa isusu to a certain degree of accuracy. You may not understand zvandataura apa, but just know kuti you are obliged to use data from the question wherever possible. So this marks the end of sine rule. Of course, we are going to have tests, examinations, examining the sine rule, but this is the end of it. Let us now give you an exercise and call it a day. If you are using the New General Mathematics book, there is a question in example 5, page 30. This is NGM book 4, by the way, chapter 4. So this question and also example 6, questions of bearing. So because in my teaching, I haven't taught bearing, I'm not going to teach you how to answer questions of bearing which require the sine rule. I'm going to teach you after I teach you about bearing. And bearing is one of the cluster topics we have. scale and bearing. So don't worry, we are going to get to that. It's not yet. We're going to take our exercise from exercise 4C, and let me put down the exercise for you. That is your exercise. Exercise 4C, Doda Tumite number 1, 3, and 5. Then pick any two of your own choice. My questions are exercise 4C. This is the end of sign rule. We are going to come back after bearing. But panapa we've learned a lot. And bearing ne sign rule was once connected. So we have done a lot here. If you enjoyed this lesson and feel you need to be part of the method, because this lesson is directed to particular students, tailor-made for them. You are just benefiting by reason of YouTube, but these lessons are directed to a very specific group of people. And also Malcolm exercise and everything. Roma test and everything. Of course, I can't do that through YouTube. So if you want to be part of us, we have two numbers and we are available on WhatsApp. So if you prefer a Zimbabwean number, it's +263 710469150. If you want a South African number, it's +27 761737116. So I want to put it as a reminder again, Guti, even though primarily this channel is instructed, we teach in Shona. We also can speak in English fairly well, and we can also have students who prefer the English language. So you can reach out if English is your go-to language. You don't have to worry. English, Shona. But the reason why I am teaching in Shona in a way, Guti, I'm more comfortable in it. Then secondly, I think I can really explain the facts in it more efficiently and more proficiently. Okay, thank you for your attendance and have a nice day.